In this video, we are going to expose one of the biggest traps in the tech industry, the gaming laptop. You want the ultimate machine, something that plays Cyberpunk on ultra settings at night, but fits in your backpack for work or school the next morning. It sounds like a dream. But here is the brutal reality. Within a month, that dream turns into a nightmare. You didn't buy a portable powerhouse, you bought a portable space heater. The moment you launch a game, the fans sound like a jet engine preparing for takeoff. And portability? Forget about it. With the massive power brick you have to carry around, you're basically hauling a concrete block. Oh, and battery life? You'll be lucky to get 2 hours of watching YouTube before it dies. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Stop trying to do everything on one compromised device. If you want to game, build a desktop PC. For the exact same price as a mid-tier gaming laptop, you can build an absolute monster of a desktop. It runs silent, it stays cool. But wait, you say, I need a laptop for work, school, and editing. Exactly, and that is why you buy a MacBook. An M-series MacBook Air or Pro is everything a gaming laptop is not. It's incredibly thin, completely silent, and the battery literally lasts all day. You can leave your charger at home and edit 4K video sitting in a coffee shop without your lap catching on fire. It's called the two-device strategy. Instead of spending $2,500 on a gaming laptop that is terrible at being a laptop and mediocre at being a desktop, split your budget. Build a solid gaming PC for your desk and grab a base model MacBook Air for your backpack. You get the ultimate gaming experience at home and the ultimate productivity experience on the go. Stop compromising, drop the gaming laptop. If this video saved you from making a terrible purchase, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your dream setup looks like.